Brush stamps are great fun to make in Procreate, and you can make them out of almost everything. I made this cute little Paddington brush stamp out of a little sticker that was just peeling and faded on an old window door on the building on the seafront. So to create the brush, you'll first need to import your image, your photograph, into Procreate and make the brush a square brush between 2000 and 4000 settings. The bigger the brush you make, the better the quality. Crop it into a square, and now we're going to adjust the contrast a bit, just pulling the darks up and pulling the lights up. Again, back into adjustments, and I'm going to take that saturation right down and make it black and white. Next, I choose the selection tool, make sure it's on automatic, and the idea here now is to select the area around the little Paddington sticker without selecting Paddington himself. And I'm going to try and just select as much of that area as possible by tapping and dragging, leaving some little spots and dots for texture. Be careful you don't go too far and select too much. Then I'm going to do a 3-finger swipe and then cut, and that's going to remove that selection. Then I'm going to grab the freehand tool, draw around, 3-finger swipe, cut, and that's going to remove the rest of that area around. Then I'm going to choose the brush and paint in some white dots for his eyes. Again, back to curves and adjust that contrast to make him really, really black. Then I'm going to go to the layers and tap on the background colour and turn that into a black background layer. Then I'm going to go up to Paddington layer again, and I'm going to choose invert to make the brush white. The idea is that you make the brush white so when you stamp it, it will actually stamp in a positive black. I'm also going to add his little nose. Now I've created the stamp, I need to save that down as a JPEG into my camera roll. Then I'm going to tap on any round brush, tap shape source, and then import. I'm going to grab my photo from the camera roll, there he is, and then I'm going to tap done. I'm going to tap on stroke path and take spacing up to the maximum. Then I'm going to tap on properties, then I'm going to turn the maximum size up to 100% under brush behavior. I might play around with the minimum size a little bit as well. And that's it. You can stamp away with your new brush. Try different colours, try different backgrounds, and have fun. I'd love to see your stamp brushes in my iPhoneography Central Facebook group, and you'll find the link below this YouTube video. And that's it. Thanks for watching.